Titi.
Yo, what up? It's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the stuff is my figure to ban it say show. Okay, our face, so I'm back with another Q&A Shandis. Sila Wakesleigh our face namhlanje sizoyihluphela khona. Sishayres edition buffets. Just wanna say thank you for 500 subscribers buffets. Shout out to Mfundo Andile buffets, so the man behind the LS Stones movement. Shout out to his brand buffets, post buffets. So the boy Leon I just want to say lukhululiyeza bafethu, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Ngiyabonga bafethu for usengikwazi ukuthi ngishutha ama video awu sebe 21 le yabo. Bekungekho lula futhi. Kodwa kungisozisayo ukuthi sikwazile nje ukuthi sincenge size sifike la. Inhloso ke bafethu to reach 1k subscribers. Sibele siqhubekile nje but kulo 5 months lo ngi-active. Ngiyabonga useleni ngisupport abafethu yabo. Ngiyazi usinye isikhathi bekunokuvile apha nanini but segcine kuhlangene abafethu. Please enjoy abafethu episode likhululiyeza. Stay blessed and shining always. Yo, what up, it's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Dilcav with Makfigi Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with
No wonder.
And
Uyanda.
Okay, bafethu no wonder no Oyanda bafethu. First question bafethu will be conducting SAPC.
South Africa Broadcasting Channel.
Yeah, wena ngokwakho same thing.
You South African Bay Channel.
Shekes. Okay, second question ngawo ukuthi uqonda ukuthini www.
Yo, mina benzathi wow West.
Shekes, okay, zona ngokwakho?
World Wide Web, yeah.
Okay, give me 2 countries aqala ngoletter Z.
U Z U New Zealand, no vaccine. I don't know.
Wena mamina?
Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Showcase, give me 2 countries aqala ngoletter C.
It's Canada, I think so. And Colombia.
Sure. Okay, do you believe ukuthi as umuntu esifazane umchitha kumele umkhiphe imise ku date?
Yeah, but not right away.
Why?
Because, I mean, that's the rule.
Okay, wena ngokwakho do you believe umchitha kumele umkhiphe imise ku date?
No comment, because what can I say?
Sure. Okay, another question now, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
PMP.
Wena?
City of choice.
Sure. Okay, best advice will give about umjolo.
Ningaqali guys. No, ningaqali umjolo. No futhi. As in, there's nothing I can say but
Yeah, wena ngokwakho best advice will give about umjolo.
Njobesho nje ningaqali umjolo yanyisana, so nje ungaqasha noqala, otherwise uzoyisola uzokhala wedwa. Yeah.
Okay, please name 2 countries aqala ngoletter A.
Angola and Amsterdam. Is that even a country?
Okay, 2 countries first aqala ngo singbo. Letter J. Japan,
Jamaica.
Away. Okay, please share out to Instagram about labang tula kon.
It's @IamJam_precious.
Okay, wena mamina Instagram account.
It's I am the crazy girl worldwide.
Washa. Alright, thank you face. Yo, what up, it's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel with Makfigi Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Nokuthula Zulu. Andisa Dlamini.
Okay, abafethu, I'm here with uNokuthula abafethu no-Andisa Dlamini. Okay, abafethu, first question first will be uqonda ukuthini SABC?
South African Broadcasting Channel.
Wena ngokwakho? Okay. Second question, uqonda ukuthini uWWW?
I know. It's World Wide Web.
Sure. Okay, okay, third question will be ngokwakho uma ucabanga as umuntu esifazane kufanele umkhiphe umuntu wesilisa umise kwi-date?
Yes.
Why?
Because a relationship is two-way street, not one-way street. Not ukuthi ma wenzelwa indoda mele kuphilele lapho nawe mele uyenzele something.
Okay, into egreen. Now mami usho njani?
Na kanjani, definitely.
Okay. Please name two countries qala ngo-Z.
Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Uyindaba nokusulusha la.
Okay. All right. Please name two countries qala ngo-R.
Russia. Then Rwanda.
Sure. Okay. Best advice you'd give about umjolo?
Awusacabanga yena.
Wena mamina?
Mina into engayisho ungahambi ubuka imijolo yabanye abantu usufanisa nowakho. Owakho makubo wakho, owabo kubo wabo. Finish. Qedile lapho.
Okay, wena?
Awukho nje umjolo perfect. Yonke inenkinga zakhona. So ungabaweli imijolo yabantu.
Okay. So what is a girl female?
Ntoni?
What is a girl female?
Hayibo intombazane nje leyo nje.
What is a girl female?
Into what umuntu wesifazane girl female angithi it's a girl then it's a female. Into what?
What is a boy female?
Hi. Yeah. I'm sorry, like Bandla, but it's a gay, right? It's a guy who was born as a guy but prefers to be a female.
What is a boy female?
I don't know.
Who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Hayibo we, akusiyo mabuzo ba David Mabuza eh. Hayi, Paul angazibani.
Paul Mashatile.
Yena impela.
Okay. Highest amount I spend a good days?
I'm not too sure. With dates yami 500.
500.
Yes.
Mohambe nomuntu wakho?
One and us.
Okay, highest amount I spend a good days?
On myself.
Yeah.
It's only been 300 on myself.
Hambe nomuntu wakho?
Yo. Hey. Oh, it was 1,100 nomuntu wami. 1.1 with umuntu wami.
Oh my god! Wow! Okay, name two countries eqala ngoletter C.
Colombia and Canada.
Two countries eqala ngoletter A.
Australia. I'm not sure about that one.
Amsterdam.
America, Argentina, Angola.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Is it a country?
yeah, okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangifollow akho noma TikTok.
TikTok _Zulu. Yes.
Okay, wena?
Don't have any.
All right, so thank you bafethu nibonise oluhle ngiyabonga kakhulu ne. Sure. Yo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll have to make it to Bani take issue. Okay, I'm here with
Mthobisi.
Okay, bafethu, today I'm here with Mthobisi bafethu. So Mthobisi nje do you believe ukuthi kumele umkhiphe umuntu wesifazane umise ku date?
Hayi, ungamkhipha.
Ngamkhipha. Okay, highest amount I spend ku date?
Ayi. Anginayo angazi.
Ubungakazi umkhiphi. Hayi nami nje angazi ngikhiphi isekeni yabo. So uqonda ukuthini uWWW?
www. Ayi futhi angimazi.
Okay, nje please name two countries aqala ngoletter Z.
My country Zimbabwe. Zambia.
Okay, please name two countries aqala ngoletter C.
C. Congo. And Jesse, right?
Sure, C nje. Usi lo mele uChina, C.
Yeah, in China.
Okay. So who is the deputy president of South Africa currently?
Deputy. Ayi ngaba mazang.
Uqonda ukuthini SABC?
South African Broadcast Act.
Broadcasting Commission or channel. Okay, best advice you'll give about umjolo.
Ngingamnika abantu for umjolo.
Yeah.
Abesilisa noma nje bebonke.
Nje best advice nje ongasinikeza yona nje. Noma out nomuntu esifazane ya.
Ukuthi nje ajabula nje mangaka found out.
Monga find out. Ngoba uma find out uzoyisola.
Futhi ungakufisa ufound out ungayixaki ngakho.
Okay, please shout out to Instagram abantu la bengithola khona.
Hayi no Instagram.
Oh no, Instagram. TikTok. Okay, ubani artist olithandayo la South Africa?
Artist nje
Noma maskandi noma hip hop.
Hip hop ngaba uNasty C.
Nasty C.
Kumaskandi
Jiva zimnike. Hey, okay njama. Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu bro, mbone so oluhle ne. Danko. Yo, what up, your boy LS Stones? I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel to Makfiki to Bani show. Okay, I'm here with
Amahle nomsobo.
Okay, I'm here with Amahle. Amahle, first question and I'm sharing out what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
The capital city of KwaZulu-Natal is PMP.
Away. So ngokwakho vethu do you believe ukuthi umuntu esifazane kumele umkhiphe umjithimise kwi-date?
Yes, but
Why?
reciprocation. Okay, angithi i-conditional answer yabo, if the guy takes the girl to a date yabo randomly, then the girl has to reciprocate because phela i-relationship ekwazi ukuba one-sided, kufanele kube ne-balance.
Okay, imali. So mawukuthi wena unayo imali yokumkhipha uye kwi-date, yena akabi nayo ukukhipha, so ungakwazi ukumkhipha kuqala yena engakaza kukhipha.
Ngeke.
Ne.
Ngeke.
Okay. Okay, another question ngawukuthi first why do girls cheat ngicabanga kwakho?
Yo. Well, nje iwithin lento le.
Ngaphakathi.
Khona ukuba ukuthi umuntu akanelisa ku-relationship kodwa aqhubeka ahlale. Ungazazi nje ukuthi ufunani.
Ungazazi ahlale. Lack of communication futhi yabo ntonto. Okay, best advice you'll give about umjolo.
Jola ngengqondo ayinhliziyo. Yeah.
Okay,
Jolo is not for the faint-hearted.
Okay, name two countries eqala ngoletter A.
Angola and Afghanistan.
Away, mami. Please shout out to Instagram abantu laba engifollow khona.
Amahle nomsobo nje. Amahle_nomsobo.
No TikTok?
No.
Okay, but stay blessed to be right, ne?
Now be right.
Away. Hey, what up, your boy LS Stones? I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel to Makfiki to Bani show. Okay, I'm here with
Amanda Zikali.
Okay, I'm here with Amanda Zikali. But first, so Amanda, do you believe ukuthi umuntu esifazane kumele umkhiphe umjithimise kwi-date?
Yes, ngiyabelieve.
Why?
Like ngokwami ngibona sengathi lento yothando kumele ibe u50-50. So, ama responsibilities kumele ngabe kumfana kuphela. Kumele abe on both sides. Yeah.
Okay, highest amount I spend kwi-dates?
Unfortunately, azange ngaya kwi-date before.
Ne. Alright. Ayenze mina mangazi mkhiphe uthekeni ngimise kwi-dates. Okay, another question ngawukuthi please name two countries eqala ngo-letter Z.
Letter Z. Letter Z. Oh my god.
Hayi cabanga letter Z.
Let me think. Letter Z.
Let's Z lo Z.
Zambia.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, showcase best advice you'll give about umjolo.
Yo, angazi bangizothi ngoba nami ngiyangibilela.
Ukhalela. Okay. Two countries eqala ngo-letter A.
Angola, Argentina.
Okay. Who is the deputy president of South Africa?
Deputy president. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting that one. Deputy President of South Africa.
Yeah. Wagcina kuba.
Yo, guys, hi.
Okay. What is the capital seat of KwaZulu-Natal?
Pietermaritzburg.
Awe. Best advice would give up as umjolo uthi hayi because now is a Khalel.
I know, not currently. Ngoba nje ngisharp.
Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bayafollow akhona.
It's Amanda_Zikhali.
Amanda_Zikhali.
Yes.
Always been a soul hle mami.
Thank you.
Always. Ayo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel to Makfiki to Banitegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Sinesipho Mpondo.
Okay, Wafethu, I'm here with Sinesipho Wafethu. So Sinesipho ngokwakho do you believe ukuthi umchithimele umkhiphe mise kwi-days? Why?
Hawu ngoba mangingamkhipha uzokhishwa ubani? Angifuni yami indoda ikhishwe omunye umuntu. Yeah.
Ngoba niyathandana.
Ngoba siyathandana yes.
Okay. So ngokwakho Wafethu uqonda ukuthini www?
Ntwana.
www.
And was.
Dalo.
Okay, give me 2 countries eqala ngo-letter C.
uCongo noCanada.
Okay, best advice you'll give about umjolo.
Bethu kuyayishubela manje nje angikho semjoleni nje nami ngeke nginikeze umuntu advice inkosi yami.
Okay. So ngokwakho who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Andimazi serious.
Wagcina kuba.
Robert Barau.
Robert Mara. Paul Mashatile first. So what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
PMU Pietermaritzburg.
Pietermaritzburg. Awusiyabonga mfethu uthole kanjani leyo ungahlali la kwape lo nomxhosa but it's fine. Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakuthola khona.
Sinesipho cha.
Sinesipho. Okay, mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ne.
Okay.
Ube nosuku oluhle mami.
Inkosi.
Awe. Yo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and I'll Makfiki to Banitegi show. I just want to say thank you for 500 subscribers bafethu and ngiyabonga kakhulu for travel videos ufike la egcineni. Funa unithembisa abafethu I always do. Lukhulu liyeza abafethu. Yabo awamanje cela nje usubscribe, ucomment, ulike, ushare fethu abonga sali ku movement. Always bafethu. This was a rest edition bafethu so Wakesleigh. Shout out to Mfundo, the man behind the cam. Always.
Mina ngaqale ngatripha baba bona